Hello, this is Ireti from eSchool Nigeria, and today we'll be looking at we'll be concluding using almighty formula to solve problems in quadratic equation. So I have proved that when we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, plus c rather. So when we solve it using the completing the square method, you get x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac everything up over 2a. So that is it. But in this equation, our a is minus 1, our b is equal to 5, and our c is equal to 6. So when we want to solve this, we just put all of these factors into this equation. So let's start. So if we have our x is equal to, what is our b? Our b is minus 5. So we have our square root. So our b square is what? 5 square minus 4 times, what's our minus 1? What's our a? Is minus 1 times c, which is what? 6, all over 4 over 2a. What's our a? 2 times minus 1. So here, sorry, this is 5, not b. So minus 5. So our x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, we have 25 minus 4 times minus 1 is 4 times 6 is what? Plus 24, everything over minus 2. So let me quickly clean up this part. So we start all over again, and we say x, so this is what? Minus 5 plus or minus square root of what? 49, everything over minus 2. So this is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 7 over minus 2. So our x is equal to minus 5 plus 7 over minus 2, or minus 5 minus 7, everything over minus 2. So our x is equal to minus 5 plus 7 is 2 over minus 2, or minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12, everything over minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1, or minus cancel minus, so 12 divided by 2 is what? 6. So this is our answer. That's our x. That is using this. So in the next, let's take a look at the next question. So we have 3y minus 12y plus 10 is equal to 0. So if we want to solve this question, we take our a to be 3, our a is equal to 3, our b is equal to minus 12, our c is equal to 10. So our x still remain minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac, everything over 2a. So when we start from there, so we say, what is our b? Is minus 12. So minus 12 plus or minus square root. What's our b? Our b is minus 12 square minus 4 times, what is our a? 3 times, what is our c? 10, everything over 2 times 3. Now, so minus times minus is what? Plus. So this is what? 12 plus or minus, what is square root of minus 12? 12 times 12 is 144, minus times minus is plus. So this is 144. Minus 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120, everything over 6. Now let me quickly clean up this part so we can continue from here. So let's continue. So when we have this, so we have 12 plus or minus square root of 24 over 6. So that's our x. Our x is equal to 12 plus root 24 over 6, or 12 minus root 24 over 6. So what is root 24? So let me show. So 24, the square root of 24, that is 4.89. So 4.89, so we can just say 4.9. So our x is equal to 12 plus 4.9 over 6, or 12 minus 4.9 over 6. So our x is equal to, when you do this, you have 16.9 over 6, or 7.1 over 6. So our x is equal to 16, that will give us 2, remainder 49, that should be 2.8. So let's leave it at that. Or well, if we want to continue, so remember 1, 16, 10 is still 1, 2.81. So let's take a look at this. 6 and 7 is 1, remainder 1 in 11 is still 1, remainder 5, and then so that is 8. So that is the final answer, and that is how to solve problem in quadratic equation using the almighty formula. So thank you very much for listening. I'll see you in the next tutorial when we'll be using word problem in quadratic equation. So thank you very much for listening and for watching. I still remain my humble self, Ireti Faleti.